Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you Adobe Creative Cloud, how to get totally free if you are a student. So right here you simply write Adobe Creative Cloud student plan. If you directly write this on Google, Adobe Creative Cloud, so it's actually Creative Cloud is nothing but it contains a list of softwares such as Photoshop, Illustrator, all the things Adobe makes. So they actually have this pack specifically for students and teachers. So once you go to the page website, they exactly tell you that students now get Photoshop, Premiere, Illustrator, Firefly, Acrobat and more for 398.99 rupees per month. So they offer this discount, 74% discount. You basically save a lot. So only this much they will charge per month, including GST. And the real pricing is more. They are providing this 74% discount for students. And you can click on Save Today, and then they will actually redirect you to this discount. So Creative Cloud Pro, so 42% off for 12 months. So basically, first of all, you do need to prove that you are a student. So if you are purchasing annually, then you will get 398 rupees per month. Save with education discount. So 398 rupees will be charged for the first year and then 699 rupees per month upon renewable. So if you are just using this Creative Cloud for the very first year, then you get this huge discount, 74% discount. So for the first year, you just need to pay 398 rupees per month to actually get this. And you will get all these things in the Creative Cloud, all the softwares which Adobe creates, such as Illustrator, Photoshop, everything. So you click on the continue button, and after that it will ask you to prove that you are a student. So you click on no thanks. So right here you enter your email you will use to access all your Adobe products. So right here you need to enter the email address from which you will be login inside your account. Click on continue. So right here you will see this. I already have an account right here, so I will simply log in. So this is specifically for students and teachers that they are providing this 74% discount, and you can activate this offer, Adobe Creative Cloud, totally free for the first year. So just select your Google account. As I already have an account right here, so let me sign in. So once you are authenticated, so basically you can enter payment info to start your subscription. So either you can pay through UPI or credit card. Just fill out this form. So the original price is 699, but for students and teachers, they are providing this 42%, 74% discount. This is a special offer. As you see, you are saving a lot of money. Creative Cloud Pro. So this is only you fill out this form, and then after you fill out this, you need to continue to verification. So you do need to prove that you are a student. Then they will ask you to fill out a form so that you are proof that you are actually a student or teacher. So right here you select, you fill out all your details right here. You click on continue to verification. So now the verification will start. If you do want this discount, you do need to actually verify that you are a student. So it will ask you education status verification, either you are a student or teacher. So Let me select I am a student. You need to give first name, last name, school level. From here you select either college going, university going student, or high school, secondary. And then from here you need to enter your school name, primary level of study. From here you can select in which niche you are studying, graduation month. From here you select everything. So this needs to be correct information, guys. Not a single thing can't be incorrect. So kindly take your time and submit this form, and just fill out the correct entries because they will verify this. So fill out correctly and then click on agree and subscribe. So they will place this order, and then you need